Hey, let me talk to you like someone who's actually lived with this soundbar every day, because once you feel what the Q990D actually brings to your movies, games, and shows, everything weaker starts to feel like something you once just put up with instead of something you truly enjoy. This isn't for someone who shrugs at flat audio or just good enough sound. This is for the person who notices when audio finally feels dimensional, when dialogue sits where it should, when effects feel like they're happening around you and not just being blasted from the front. Before we go deeper, take a moment and check the current price and availability. Premium audio systems like this don't hang around when people begin comparing real performance. You know that moment, you fire up a movie night and the sound feels flat or hollow, explosions lack punch, voices feel distant, and you find yourself turning up the volume hoping something will finally click? That's the exact point you realize you've outgrown compromise. You don't want sound that just exists, you want sound that feels alive. Then you switch this on. The relief hits instantly. You don't just hear sound, you feel a presence. Dolby Atmos doesn't just make noise louder, it places sound in the room. Rear speakers mean effects aren't trapped up front, footsteps and ambience move around you instead of just ahead of you. Once you feel that level of immersion, everything weaker starts to feel like a blurry memory you shouldn't have tolerated. Picture this, you're deep into an action scene, and the crash of a spaceship feels like it's unfolding above and around you, not just blasting forward. Later, it's game night and footsteps don't just hint direction, they announce presence around you because the spatial sound stays anchored instead of leaving you guessing. Then you flip to music and familiar tracks suddenly feel full-bodied instead of thin, bass that feels confident, highs that are clear, and no distortion stealing energy. That's not about numbers, that's presence you feel every time you press play. And once you've lived with that level of sound, anything less starts to feel like a compromise you don't want to revisit. Every time you think about settling for something weaker again, your mind drifts back to how engaged everything felt with this. That's loss aversion. You don't want to give that up now that you know what it's like to be surrounded by sound instead of just tolerating it. While that feeling is fresh, check stock again. Systems with real rear surround, wireless sub, and advanced modes like Game Mode Pro don't always stay easy to get when serious listeners start realizing what they deliver. If you're hesitating because it sounds premium, let's reshape that doubt. This isn't about flash, it's about clarity, depth, and confidence every time you listen. It's about watching content the way it was made to be heard, not just seen. Here's something most people don't expect until they've lived with it. Once you've experienced real spatial audio that adapts to your room and content, even everyday shows start feeling more engaging. Dialogue stays crisp without shouting, effects stay anchored without distortion. That's a shift that sticks with you. You feel immersive sound that fills the room. You enjoy clarity that reveals detail. You get presence that pulls you into every scene. You own audio that matches your refined taste. You experience impact that connects emotionally. Downsides? It's not tiny, and it isn't the cheapest single piece of audio gear you could buy. Those are simply the trade-offs for sound that actually respects the content instead of just amplifying it. At some point, the never-ending comparison loop just stops. You already feel which experience satisfies you most. You choose what feels right, not what's uncertain. So don't let this become one of those upgrades you delay and later think, I should have done that sooner. Decide with confidence, check current availability now, and bring home the immersive sound experience your instincts have been telling you to get.